welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to send your expression of interest for the exams of MRCOG part 1. So let's start. First we will go to the Google account, and here we are going to write the MRCOG part 1 expression of interest here. Then you are going to enter this interface, open that MRCOG part 1 expression of interest, and here you will scroll down and this is your expression of interest form. Okay, and it is very easy. You just need to add your Royal College of account number, and this account number is allocated to each of the candidate from the RCOG. Just if you don't remember it, just go to your Gmail, the account which you provided during the registration. Open that account and find your RCOG mail, and there they will give you your account number, and you have to add your account number here. And usually this account number is in numbers, and you just enter your account number, and then you have to give your email address, the email address which you gave while registration to the RCOG website. And here you will provide your Gmail address or the any email you registered when you had a registration form. Then you will write your first name. The first name will be the name you gave to the RCOG website, your name and your surname. And then it is very simple. You just have to mark this, that I confirm I would like an opportunity to book a place on the next MRCOG part 1 exam. Then I confirm the details they provided are correct and match my details provided in my RCOG account. Just click that, and then you also have to click that for the security check that I'm not a robot. And then simple, you have to submit your account your expression of interest. This is very easy. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and also if you need to know more about anything regarding MRCOG exams or any other exams, then you can comment me, and I personally read your questions and your comments and try to answer all of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.